Character is innate or acquired. What is common is that nature is predominant in nature, something that will generally come to mind of researchers on ways to develop and strengthen their personality. And the fact is that psychologists were not agree on this. Some of them said that character is acquired from the environment and learning. And some of them said that nature is not individual fingerprints, no, it can be modified and generated with humans. And recent studies have indicated that genetics contribute to a large part of the character's formation, since its impact varies between 20 and 45% approximately. While the rest is acquired by the environment and learning, and therefore the change and development of personality and reaching the degree of influence in others is not. It is impossible even if sometimes tired. 1. Confident. Self-confidence is one of the most important characteristics that distinguishes a strong personality, which accepts all the positive, negative, physical, personal and intellectual aspects, living with it, and even being proud of it. The person also has happiness. When he has confidence in his capacities, he is happier thanks to his success. And the more he feels a better impression of his capacities, the more his activity and his enthusiasm to make decisions and proceed for achieve goals. And others define confidence as the person's belief in or the individual expectations of his future performance and self-assessment of his abilities and performance of the former. 2. Strong personality. A strong personality attracts everyone, so no one of us likes the weak person, because we always draw our strength from the powerful around us. But the character's strength is never linked to injustice or domination. On the contrary, the force of the character pushes its owner to be just and does not fear the right to blame. 3. And the owner of the strong personality can adapt to the problems of life and accept them with different way to achieve its main goal in life. It does not allow the pitfalls to move it away from him and submit to the simplest dilemmas. And because many people still aspire to develop their personality and make it a strong and influential personality, they must pay attention why a set of methods that help strengthen the character, and this is what we will present in the article. 4. The importance of personal strength. People look for a strong personality for many reasons, the most important of which are: a strong personality has many opportunities to work and study, and he is also eligible for leadership and leadership positions wherever he is. And because business leaders usually cannot interfere in the least details, they need a non-reticent personality capable of managing the company with its details. And because who has a strong character is able to absorb several tasks at the same time, because this allows him to succeed in more a domain. 5. The strong personality gives you an independent thought, because the bosses need certain employees who defy difficulties and do not support them in all decisions. To take advantage of this to achieve some of the objectives that must make decisions. A strong personality is less affected by external factors and the surrounding speech, because a strong person does not care about people's criticism. Because his strength comes from within and does not need an external force which supports self-confidence and is able to persist despite challenges. A strong personality does not have to be surrounded by love, and we cannot deny that people like to bypass this character because they gain strength and confidence from it. But this circumference may not be for him. Love or emulation, but with the intention of reaching a specific interest. So the owner of the strong personality is generally diligent in his work and able to accomplish various tasks which can be difficult for others. And these attributes avoid that the owner is not subjected to insults or slander, because the owner of this character has traced the broad lines of how he treats people and the relations with him, so that nobody can overcome him. 6. A strong personality is at the center of everyone's attention wherever they are. Gravity and charisma depend mainly on a person's self-confidence and inner strength. How to be a strong and influential person. Attractive people around us push us to want to have such a character. But certain obstacles such as shame or the inability to speak in public in front of a large number of people can prevent us from achieving what we want. And the barrier may be the lack of self-confidence despite the presence of talents which attracts others tell us if they know it correctly. So all you need to do is that the confidence with which strong personalities appear reflects their confidence, even if their abilities are limited in one or more aspects, and the following. Thank you for watching, and no forget to subscribe my channel please.